So you're thinking about moving to Las Vegas, Nevada? More specifically, the city of Henderson, in a resort-style, master plan community, and you have a budget in the 700,000s? Well, then this video is for you. That's because we're gonna go visit Lake Las Vegas and take you through some neighborhoods to show you 3 homes in the $700,000 to $800,000 range, so you can get a good idea of what is available at this price point in this impressive community. So let's get after it right now. Hi, my name is Mark Pepe, and I absolutely love helping people discover all things Las Vegas and Henderson, including the local real estate market. If this is the type of content that resonates with you, make sure you subscribe here below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market here in Las Vegas, with so much evolving almost daily. We are passionate about removing the stress of relocating to a completely new city and state. If you're thinking about making that move, whether it be 9 days or 9 months, feel free to give us a call, text, or email. All that information is in the description below. So as I mentioned, we are here in Lake Las Vegas, a picturesque master plan community located about 25 miles east of the Las Vegas Strip in the eastern part of the city of Henderson. Nestled in the desert landscape, this upscale oasis centers around a 320-acre artificial lake that serves as both scenic and focal point, along with a hub for recreational activities, which I'll highlight later in this video. And you can see the lake right over here behind me. You know, living in Lake Las Vegas offers a unique blend of a resort-style luxury outdoor adventure and a tranquil escape from the hustle and the bustle of Las Vegas proper. This community is often described as a serene and upscale enclave where residents enjoy a small town feel combined with modern amenities. With its European-inspired architecture, lush landscaping, and lakeside ambiance, this community feels more like a luxurious vacation resort than a typical residential neighborhood. Many residents are drawn to Lake Las Vegas for its sense of exclusivity and peacefulness. The area has a mix of retirees, professionals, families, and seasonal residents who appreciate the community's slower pace of life, gated neighborhoods, and stunning desert and water views. The real estate in Lake Las Vegas primarily consists of luxury homes, condos, and villas, with prices varying based on size, location, and amenities. Most of the residences are designed with a Mediterranean or a contemporary architectural style, often featuring terracotta roofs, stucco finishes, and spacious open interiors. When comparing it to other affluent communities across the Las Vegas Valley, your dollar will go a bit further here, as we are about to see here in a minute. While we'll be visiting 3 resale homes, there is a lot of new construction happening around the lake. Builders are eager to move their inventory, so good value is available. Make sure you check out my Lake Las Vegas new construction vlog after you're done watching this video for more details. In an effort to provide you with balanced information on what it's like living in the Las Vegas Valley, I also want to share with you a few downsides to living here in Lake Las Vegas. Yes, there's actually a few. The first is distance to essentials. While Henderson is close by, we're actually in the city of Henderson, but the main part, downtown Henderson, is close by, residents need to drive about 10 to 20 minutes for larger shopping centers, schools, or hospitals. Then there are HOA fees. Many neighborhoods in Lake Las Vegas have high HOA fees to maintain amenities and landscaping. Most subdivisions will have multiple HOA fees. One for the Lake Las Vegas Master Plan, which is $153.95 per month. And then in addition, there's gonna be one for specific subdivisions that can range anywhere from $200 all the way up to $600 plus. Yikes. Number 3 is limited nightlife. While the Strip is nearby, Lake Las Vegas itself is really quiet, as you can probably see here behind me, which may not appeal to those seeking a vibrant nightlife. And number 4 is seasonal atmosphere. Some parts of the community feel quieter in the summer or during off-peak tourist seasons. So, with that said, let's go stroll through a few neighborhoods to see what is available in the $700,000 range. Our first stop within the $700,000 range is in the subdivision of The Falls, which is centrally located within the community close to the village where we just came from. This home here listed behind me is for $724,000 and is 2,683 square feet, which comes out to $270 per square foot. And anything under $300 per square foot is very good for this community. It is 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, has a 2-car garage, and was built in 2021. You know, this home is located on a quiet cul-de-sac that you can see right over here beyond my shoulder. It's located within a gated community and is packed with upgrades, including dual 12-foot sliders off of the open concept living areas, providing ample natural light, showcasing breathtaking mountain views, a gourmet kitchen with granite counters, a full-face double-stacked custom cabinetry, and 10-foot granite island. 2 of the 5 bedrooms are on the first floor, which is perfect for a home office and a guest room. And there's a separate upstairs living area with the kitchenette as well. Additional highlights include custom built-ins, a doggy door with a pet enclosure, and a low-maintenance backyard with a gas fire pit, an extended covered patio, and space for a pool. The heated, or I should say cooled as well, 2-car insulated garage features a 240-volt power along with epoxy floors. You will also be able to enjoy membership at the Lake Las Vegas Sports Club, which is a $25,000 value included in the sale. This home is in impeccable condition. I wanted to highlight some dining and shopping options that I mentioned about the village being close by to this home, within walking distance actually. It features a few upscale dining options including Luna Rosa Ristorante, a popular Italian restaurant with lakeside views and my personal favorite. Then there's Mimi and Coco Bistro, a charming French Mediterranean bistro which is perfect for brunch or a romantic dinner. Then there's also the Seasons Grocery and Deli, which is a small market offering essentials, gourmet snacks, and fresh sandwiches. You know, shopping at the village gives you space to relax and pamper yourself in style with a few salons to choose from, along with some boutique stores. While the village does not have extensive shopping options, nearby retail hubs such as the Galleria Mall, which is more of your traditional indoor mall, is located 15 minutes west of here. And then the district at Green Valley Ranch provides everything from grocery stores to upscale shops and restaurants within a 20-minute drive of here. So you definitely have a good amount of shopping and restaurant options available to you if you choose to call Lake Las Vegas home. Well, let's go take a drive around the Falls subdivision to get a better feel for it. Our next stop is in the gated subdivision of Alta Fiore, which, like the last home we just visited, is centrally located close to all the amenities Lake Las Vegas has to offer. This home listed here behind me is for $750,000 and is 2,565 square feet, which comes out to $292 per square foot. It is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, has a 3-car garage, and was built in 2021. You know, this home is uniquely positioned in one of the largest lots in all of Alta Fiore at just under 8,000 square feet and is located on a corner lot that you can see right over here. And there's also a nice little green belt right across the street beyond my shoulder. You know, upon entering this home, or actually entering the property, you'll be greeted by a private courtyard, as well as the home itself boasts an open floor plan, a gourmet kitchen equipped with solid quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a spacious island featuring additional storage. There's also 2 sliders, including a triple door slider leading to the outdoors, and a meticulously designed backyard, which is perfect for entertaining year-round. There's a flexible bedroom and bathroom that are located downstairs, providing privacy and ease. While upstairs, you'll find a primary suite with an ensuite bathroom that features an upgraded freestanding tub and a separate shower. In addition, the super loft, as they call it, offers an additional versatile living space as well. There's also a convenient laundry room upstairs, eliminating all the hassle of bringing clothes up and down the stairs. You know, in all, this appealing home has so much to offer. One of the biggest advantages of living in Lake Las Vegas is the lifestyle it affords for those who love outdoor recreation, relaxation, and community-centered activities. Some of those include, first, there's water activities. With a 320-acre lake at the heart of the community, it offers a variety of water-based activities, including boating and kayaking, where residents can enjoy non-motorized boating, kayaking, and paddleboarding year-round. There's also electric boats with private docks that have rentals that you can make cruising around the lake really a favorite pastime. And there's also stand-up paddleboarding and sailing that are popular, especially during the summer, warmer months. Then there's golfing. Lake Las Vegas is home to 2 championship golf courses. You've got Reflection Bay Golf Club, which is designed by Jack Nicklaus, which is a stunning 18-hole course with breathtaking views of the lake and desert. Then there's South Shore Country Club, which is an exclusive private golf course offering an equally luxurious experience for all members. These courses not only offer great play, but serve as gathering points for events, dining, and socializing. Then there's hiking and outdoor activities. With being surrounded by scenic desert hills, Lake Las Vegas is close to some of incredible hiking and biking trails. Nearby locations like Lake Mead National Recreation Area and the River Mountains Loop Trail offers outdoor enthusiasts with a wide variety of options to explore the region's natural beauty. Then there's community events. Lake Las Vegas Village, often compared to a quaint European town square that we were at earlier at the beginning of this video, hosts frequent events such as local musicians that perform regularly in outdoor spaces. There's farmers markets that are seasonal that provide fresh local produce, crafts, and artisanal goods. Then there are holiday celebrations, such as events as fireworks, parades, and wine tastings that bring residents together throughout the year. Needless to say, you won't get bored living here in Lake Las Vegas. So, let's go take a drive around Alta Fiore to see what you think about it. Our last stop in touring homes in the $700,000 range is in the gated subdivision of Del Webb in the far northwest portion of the master plan community. This home here listed behind me is for $799,000 and it's 2,549 square feet, which comes out to $313 per square foot. It has 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, has a 3-car garage, and was built in 2023. This single-story, Pulte-built home has no rear neighbors, with the mountain backing right up against it, as you may be able to see here behind me, providing additional privacy and exclusivity. This brand new home offers an enclosed, intimate courtyard right here in the front, while upon entering the interior of the home, you're greeted with an open, bright, and flexible floor plan that offers a flex area that can be used for dining or additional lounge. There's also a large great room right off of the kitchen that features an impressive 4-slider door, allowing for a true indoor-outdoor living experience. Also, the upgraded kitchen provides 2-tone color custom cabinets. In addition, there's a large island, quartz counters, stainless steel appliances, and even a walk-in pantry. All 3 bathrooms in the home have upgraded showers and counters, including the primary spa-like bath, while the bedrooms provide a spacious feel to them as well. Out in the backyard, it's a clean slate ready for you to create your own outdoor desert oasis, including room for a pool if you prefer. The covered patio is also perfect for entertaining. There's a lot to like about this brand new home. With the resort community that Lake Las Vegas offers, it's no surprise many families are drawn here, so the educational options are going to be important if you have kids. The Clark County schools zoned for this community include Stevens Elementary, Mahone Middle School, and Basic High School. In addition, there's also high-performing private and charter schools to choose from, as well, including Lake Mead Christian Academy, Pinecrest Academy, Legacy Traditional School, and Coral Academy of Science, Las Vegas. So there are a number of options to choose from to find the best school for your child's needs. Well, let's go drive around Del Webb to get a feel for this new neighborhood. Well, this gives you a pretty good overview of what the $700,000 range can provide you with here in this wonderful resort community of Lake Las Vegas. I hope you enjoyed it and found this video beneficial, so please like and share it. Please also subscribe below and comment if you have any questions or found this video helpful. Also, let me know on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the highest, what you would rate Lake Las Vegas. Also, be sure to check out our other videos on the surrounding areas so you can continue to get a realistic sense of what it would feel like to live here in the Las Vegas Valley. If you feel Lake Las Vegas checks most or all of your boxes when it comes to finding the right community to relocate to, my team and I are ready to go to work on your behalf and are extremely proactive in our approach to assisting getting your offer accepted on your ideal home. We don't leave any stones unturned. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or even schedule a Zoom appointment here in the description below. We can't wait to help you make a smooth and a stress-free move to Lake Las Vegas or anywhere else in the Las Vegas Valley. So, until next time, we hope to show you around town very, very soon.